Hi, I'm Ashley with ClickTrue. As Twitter continues to grow in popularity, you may be wondering how the heck do you figure out if what you're doing is even having an impact? And by impact, I mean two things. One, are people clicking through the links you're providing? And two, are people retransmitting your tweets? These two things are very important because if you have a high percentage of people clicking through as well as people retweeting, that signifies that people think what you're doing is important and you are having a social impact not only on your network but on your network all the way through. And we are going to look at a couple of tools that will help you do this. If you find that your percentages are very low, you may want to start reconsidering the information you're sharing. You may want to start implementing some different tools, but let's do first things first, and let's discuss the tools that can help you determine if you are having an impact. So let's get started. You'll recall one of the two things I said you need to monitor to determine your influence on Twitter is how many times your tweets are being retweeted. Retweetrank.com will give you your ranking as well as the percentage of your tweets that are being retweeted. When you go to the website, the first thing you see is the leaderboard, the top 10. They all have about 100% retweet percentage ranking. Type in your individual username and hit go. Your information will pop up. What we're looking at right now is the number 2 rank for Tweet Meanie. As you can see, they have a 100 percentile retweet percentage, and as you're scrolling down, you will see some of those recent retweets. Now, the number 2 thing you want to look at is how many times your links are being clicked on and shared. You may have used a tiny URL to shorten URLs so that you're not using your entire 140 characters on a link. Go ahead and start using Tweetburner. Go to tweetburner.com, set up an account. Anytime you want to share a link, get your URL, type it, click it to shorten it, then go to your account and type that for the link. Once you do that, it starts tracking the information for you. How cool is that? So as we said, there's 2 things you need to look at. How many times you're being retweeted and how many times people are clicking on your links. Use the 2 tools I've just suggested and you are well on your way. Good luck, happy tweeting. Visit us at clicktrue.com.